It's a very strange thing.
Utholela unodoli. Utholela unodoli ozodlala nawo. Unodoli wakho. Kahle kahle I think uMseleko ufila jealous menzwana. Ufika athi ufuna iunity. Kodwa kuleyo unity yena bese efaka unyawo. Uze nenye mntaka. Enye ngempela ke le.
Ayisele kandela. Oh, you like lalela I know kwaqinile phela bezophela wokabe ufike sephelile. All right. You look nice. Thank you. You look nice yourself. This is our home for the next few days.
Oh wow, ngiyafika la ePennington. Wow, ile ndawo yinhle. Unfortunately bengingayazi kodwa ngihlala le duze. Ngicina la koselboni ngidlule.
Ukufika kuKambali shem kunginikeza nje umoya ongazi uthi uthanda ukuheleza kancane kungazi uthi kuba mnandi.
It's just so nice to see these two together, man. I hope Mseleko doesn't come in between them. And I also hope that they also maintain this relationship that they have. It's just beautiful to see as for a change. Because Mseleko just mentioned Umayenu is not going to be happy about the fact that Mela zohlala nomangwabe noNeduza abantu angabathandi. Of which by then abukela Umayenu ukuthi ayohlala khona. Like Mseleko akathandi peace vele. Anyway guys, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and please comment down below.